Welcome to Study Loop.
So here we know that for part A, we need to find the angular frequency omega. This would be equal to the propagation constant multiplied by the speed of light. This is going to be equal to 4.00 per meter multiplied by the speed of light 3.0 times 10 to the eighth, excuse me, 3.0 times 10 to the eighth meters per second. And this is equaling 12 times 10 to the eighth per second. We can say that another formula for the angular frequency would be 2 pi f. So we can then find the frequency f. This would be an angular frequency divided by 2 pi. And so this would be 12 times 10 to the eighth per second, and then divided by 2 pi. So this is equaling 1.91 times 10 to the eighth hertz. We can then say the frequency, this would be the frequency of the electromagnetic wave. For part B, we know that we have an expression for the root mean squared value of the electric component. So the electric field component, the root mean squared value of the electric field would be equal to the E sub m, the electric field component of the electromagnetic wave, divided by the square root of 2. And so this would be equal to the magnitude of the magnetic field in the electromagnetic wave times the speed of light divided by radical 2. And we can solve 85.8 times 10 to the negative 9th Teslas multiplied by 3.0 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. And this would be divided by radical 2. So we find the root mean squared electric field in the electromagnetic wave 18.2 volts per meter. This would be our answer for part B. And finally, for part C, we're trying to find the intensity of the wave. So the intensity would be equal to the root mean squared value of the electric field squared divided by the speed of light times the magnetic permeability in a vacuum. This is going to be equal to 18.2 volts per meter quantity squared divided by 3.0 times 10 to the 8th meters per second multiplied by 4 pi times 10 to the negative 7th Tesla meters per amperes. And we find that the intensity I is going to be equal to 0.878 watts per square meter. This would be our final answer for part C. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.